Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the Talentrix channel. Talentrix, we driven to explore talents from students in podcast industry. Do listen our audiovisual blogs in Kannada, English, and in Hindi. Do subscribe and press the bell button for regular updates. Dear friends, how are you? I think you are all doing well. Have you ever eaten? What did you eat? And then how much you eat? Finally, how did ease taste? Then how powerful was the food you ate? Are you wondering why I am asking so many questions about eating? Yes, this is very important because the food we eat plays an important role in keeping us healthy. So, in today's video, Preksha Dharwad gave brief information about food testing. Come on, listen to Preksha.
Hello everyone, I am Preksha Dharwad from Govt Adarsha Vidyalaya, Dharwad. As human beings, we have some basic needs, among which food is also one. But how do you know if the food is proper for consumption or not? By food testing, right? So, our topic for now is food testing. Now let's see what food testing means. Food testing means the field of use comprising the in vitro measurement, observation or determination of one or more protein or nucleic acid targets of an organism in a sample obtained from food and sources of food intended for human consumption in order to determine whether the food is fit for consumption or not. There should be a process of food testing, right? Yes, there is a process. Let's have a glimpse at what process is there in food testing. As per the Food and Safety Standard Act, testing of food articles is to be conducted once in 6 months through an APL accredited or FSSAI notified lab. For a food analysis, a sample food product would be drawn, packed, sealed, and sent to an authorized lab to analyze the quality and safety of the food product. We know that everything has a purpose. Like that, food testing also has a purpose. Food testing is considered as the most important step despite being the last process of food manufacturing chain. Food product testing is vitally necessary to assure that the food is free of physical, chemical, and biological hazards and also determines the safety of the food for use. Now let's see the benefits of food testing. It helps to comply with food safety regulations, provides complete information about the product. It also guarantees the safety of the food and also the brand. Mentioning allergenic product helps prevent health hazards. Also, it is a way to ensure consistent quality and help us track what we put inside our bodies. Food chemistry testing can even help with food making more appetizing as it shows us what contributes to a more appealing taste, texture, and odor when it comes to food. You may not know, but there are different types of food testing, some of which are chemical contaminant testing, drug residue tests, pesticide residue tests, food microbiology tests, foodborne parasite tests, food quality test, foodborne toxin tests, physical quality tests, molecular biology, and GMO analysis test. There are some parameters commonly used in food quality testing that are color and hue of the skin and inner flesh. Texture is measured as firmness, and sweetness is measured as soluble sugars in BRIX. Yes, till now we did learn the meaning, purpose, process, types, benefits, and some parameters commonly used of food testing. But does the quality of food mean so much? Is food testing really important? Yes, the quality means so much. Quality food is packed with nutrients, vitamins, and minerals needed to keep a body functioning at peak capacity. Eating clean and avoiding processed or refined foods can drastically improve your quality of life too. Quality food have been shown to boost immunity and stave off sickness. We asked a question why food testing or taste testing is important. Taste and sensory tests are essential parts of product development for consumer packaged goods. Research conducted through this type of testing helps companies better understand consumers' preferences for flavor, color, texture, and more when it comes to their products. Obviously, food testing consists taste testing. The benefits of this taste testing are it's good for identifying new products and services that will appeal to the consumers. Taste testing also helps identify problems with the product's quality that could lead to recalls or customer complaints. In short, it helps us to know the preferences for the food we manufacture to the consumers. There are 4 main food tests, namely Benedict's test for reducing sugars, iodine test for starch, Sudan 3 test for lipids, Barrett test for proteins. Food testing methods include microbiological, chemical, allergen, and physical testing. However, food testing has some limitations, such as sampling errors, false negatives and false positives, limited scope of testing, cost and time, and variability in results. As mentioned before, the food quality is checked either by NABL or FSSAI. In India, the food quality is checked by FSSAI. Getting an FSSAI certification may be a make or break deal for your business if you are considering starting your own food related company. Also, did you know that food quality has its own principles? Let me share those principles with you. Hygiene, prevention and risk reduction, reliability, consistency, traceability, consumer and customer relevance, transparency and accountability are the principles of food quality testing. Let me guess, a question arises in everyone's mind, which is, what causes food quality? Don't worry, I'll answer that. Typically, the term food quality represents the sum of all properties and attributes of a food item that are acceptable to the customer. These food quality attributes include appearance, size, shape, gloss, color, consistency, texture, flavor, and nutritional content. Also, to mention, animals are also used for food testing. But how? The tests may involve oral administration of a foodstuff or application to the skin or eyes. Some procedures can be painful for the animals and may involve the forced creation of damage or an injury to analyze and investigate the effects of food or various supplements. Yes, that's not so good to listen, as the animals may suffer. Hoping this information gave you some knowledge about food testing and food quality, I'd like to conclude my words here. Thank you.
My dear friends, I hope you all like today's video. Then see you again in the next video with another new topic. And listen, my dear friends, for more updates do visit our www.talentrix.co.in. Thank you.